Welcome to Tabinogo Japanese. In this video, we'll learn about basic Japanese sentence structure, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. In Japanese, the predicate always comes at the end of the sentence. The predicate can be a noun, adjective, or verb. Japanese sentences can be divided into three main types: noun sentences, adjective sentences, and verb sentences, depending on what the predicate is. Let's start with the simplest form, the noun sentence. The basic structure is A は noun です。This は is called particle and indicates the topic of the sentence. In Japanese, there are different styles of speech that differ in politeness, polite style, and plain style. This shows politeness, and changing the final desu to da will make the expression more casual. When talking to people you don't know in a shop, restaurant, or while traveling, people usually use polite style. So let's use desu when learning for the first time. Let's look at some examples. I am Tanaka. 私は田中です。I am Japanese. 私は日本人です。This is sushi. これは寿司です。Mr. Tanaka is a doctor. 田中さんは医者です。To make a negative sentence, change です to じゃありません。田中さんは医者じゃありません。Mr. Tanaka is not a doctor. To make it past tense, change です to でした。田中さんは医者でした。Mr. Tanaka was a doctor. It's easy, right? We'll study these details in another video. For now, let's look at the big picture. Next, let's look at adjective sentences. Here's the basic pattern. A は adjective です。Example: Sushi is tasty. 寿司はおいしいです。Japanese anime is interesting. 日本のアニメは面白いです。Look at this sentence. Like is an adjective in Japanese. When an adjective has an object, like 好き, it is marked with particle が。For example, 私は寿司が好きです。I like sushi. Finally, let's learn verb sentences. Example: I eat onigiri, rice balls, every morning. To eat is 食べます。私は毎朝おにぎりを食べます。Take a look at this example sentence. Particles are useful when you want to add information to a sentence. と refers to the person who performs an action together. で refers to the place where the action takes place. を refers to the object of the verb. Particles are placed after nouns. 私はジョンとカフェでコーヒーを飲みます。You can change the word order as long as you keep the correct particles. But remember, the predicate always comes at the end. 私はカフェでジョンとコーヒーを飲みます。If you use the wrong particle, the meaning can completely change. 私はカフェとジョンでコーヒーを飲みます。That doesn't make sense. Finally, let's briefly look at verb conjugations, one of the most challenging parts of Japanese. Verbs change their form depending on meaning and tense. For example, the verb 飲みます to drink changes like this. 飲まない、飲む、飲め、飲もう、飲んで、 飲んだ. There are more, but we'll take it step by step. Don't worry, you'll get used to it with practice. Let's review what we learned today. In this video, we looked at the basic structure of Japanese sentences. The predicate always comes at the end of the sentence. And depending on what it is, the sentence becomes a noun sentence, adjective sentence, or verb sentence. Japanese also has different speech styles. The polite style sounds formal and respectful, while the plain style is more casual and friendly. In addition, particles play an important role in helping us understand the meaning of each part of a sentence. Today, we learned these key points. In the next video, let's practice how to make Japanese sentences together. If you are interested in online lessons, visit Tabinago Japanese website for a free trial lesson. Thank you for watching. また見てね。